How to change font in GoDaddy. Quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to change font of your website that you're creating on GoDaddy. So let's get into it. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to godaddy.com and you will get right here on this website builder. You will open up the website that you're editing. This is the website I am working on and I want to change the font of the website. I want to get the insight to all the text that I have written. For that, you will get these options right here at the side of your screen. We have website, theme, and setting. You're going to navigate to themes. In themes, we have three options. We have color, font, and buttons. So you're going to go to the fonts right here. It will show you the fonts on your website. So we have a primary font and then we have a secondary font. So the primary font is this one right here, which is the old standard for me. This is the font you can see my website has all of the primary font, and then we have another font that we can use. We can switch the font. Of course, let's say I go with this font right here. So it will actually change. You can see the font will be changed on my website. Maybe I can go with this one. So you can see this is how it looks. All of the fonts are actually pretty good and we get a lot of font option on our GoDaddy website. So I have selected this one. Maybe we can go with another one. There is a huge font list you can see. And you can select any of the fonts that you want. And we can also select a secondary font on our website to use for maybe blogs and different types of text that we have. So you will select the font from here, whatever font you like. Maybe this one right here. And that font will be updated on your website. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.